Today, we're diving into the delectable world of Banoffee Pie. Originating from England, this indulgent dessert is a heavenly combination of bananas, toffee, and whipped cream nestled in a crisp graham cracker crust. To start, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Next, crush 1½ cups of graham crackers into fine crumbs. Combine the crumbs with 6 tablespoons of melted butter and press the mixture into the bottom and sides of a 9-inch pie dish to form the crust. Bake the crust in the preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes, or until lightly golden and fragrant. Remove from the oven and let it cool completely. While the crust is cooling, prepare the toffee filling. In a saucepan over medium heat, melt ½ a cup of unsalted butter. Add ½ a cup of brown sugar and stir until the sugar has dissolved. Pour in 1 can, 14 ounces, of sweetened condensed milk and bring the mixture to a gentle boil, stirring continuously. Let it simmer for 5 minutes, then remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Once the toffee filling has cooled, spread it evenly over the cooled graham cracker crust. Place the pie dish in the refrigerator to chill for about 1 hour, or until the toffee layer has set. While the pie is chilling, prepare the whipped cream topping. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat the mixture with an electric mixer until stiff peaks form. Once the toffee layer has set, slice 2 to 3 ripe bananas and arrange them evenly over the toffee filling. Then, spread the whipped cream over the bananas, creating a luscious layer on top of the pie. For an extra touch of decadence, sprinkle some chocolate shavings or cocoa powder over the whipped cream. Slice and serve this delightful Banoffee pie to your friends and family, and watch as they marvel at its irresistible flavors and textures. Enjoy the perfect blend of buttery crust, creamy toffee, fresh bananas, and fluffy whipped cream in every heavenly bite.